CanCun Beach in Mexico is a great destination for those who are passionate about the sea, sun and white sand. Located on the Atlantic coast, CanCun is famous for its beautiful, historic beaches, clear blue waters and pleasant tropical atmosphere. With about 22 kilometers of beaches including North Beach and South Beach, CanCun is an ideal destination for both relaxing vacations and active fun activities. CanCun Beach is located on the west side of the Yucatan Strait and directly into the Caribbean Sea, which is part of the Atlantic Ocean. This location gives CanCun not only beautiful seascapes but also a boon for tourism, with a warm tropical climate, clear blue seawater and fine white sand. The climate and human environment of CanCun, Mexico, is a unique combination of natural beauty and the influence of human activity. CanCun is located in the tropics, where the climate is warm year-round, with a dry season from December to April and a rainy season from May to November. This creates an ideal environment for growing diversity, biology and is also a great advantage for the tourism industry here. CanCun Beach is not only a place for rich marine animal life but also a wonderful environment for marine flora and fauna. Under the clear blue water of the Atlantic Ocean, seaweed, algae and other marine plants grow strongly, creating a rich and diverse marine ecosystem. Cancun Beach has had a major impact on Mexico's tourism and economy. With its prime geographical location and beautiful natural landscape, Cancun has become one of the top tourist destinations in Mexico and Latin America. In addition, revenue from tourism in Cancun also contributes a significant part to Mexico's national budget through tourism taxes and expenditures of domestic and international tourists. This has a positive impact on the local and national economy, contributing to enhanced economic development and improved community quality of life. However, there are also challenges that need to be faced as tourism in Cancun grows so rapidly, including environmental pollution, ineffective natural resource management and pressure on local culture. Maintaining a balance between tourism development and environmental and cultural protection is an important challenge that Mexico faces to ensure Cancun's beaches remain attractive and sustainable into the future. Join us to explore the beaches through the lens of Wandering Channel. With beautiful and authentic images of the most beautiful tourist destinations around the world, we hope to share our passion for discovery. Support Wandering Channel by subscribing and sharing with your friends and family. Each registration and support from you is a great motivation for us to continue bringing beautiful images and interesting experiences.